In this video, we will discuss about combination keys. The key that is used in combination with another key to perform any task is called combination key. There are three combination keys on the keyboard. The first key combination key is shift key, and the second key combination key is control key, and third combination key is alt key. We will discuss all the combination keys one by one. The first combination key is shift key. Using this combination key, we can type special symbols, punctuation mark present on the upper part of the keys. Upper part means above the keys. On the number keys, we can see above them there are symbols. Similarly, there are keys on which there are two symbols. The upper symbol can be typed using shift key. There are two shift key on the keyboard. We can also type capital letters using shift key. I will show you how to type capital letters as well as special symbols and punctuation marks that are present above the upper portion of the keys. I will open here on-screen keyboard and then notepad. On this on-screen keyboard, this is the shift key. To use the shift key, we will press the shift key from the keyboard and then we will hold it, or we can say we will keep it pressed. Now, if we press any alphabet key from the keyboard, that letter or the alphabet will be typed in capital. So, if I press this key, F key from the keyboard, so you can see here F is typed capital. Let me show you again. First we will press shift key from the keyboard and we will keep it pressed, and then if we press any alphabet key or the letter key from the keyboard, then that particular letter will be typed in capital. If we don't press shift key, or if we release the shift key, we can say, then if we press any alphabet key or letter key, then that particular letter will be typed in small. Now, to type these symbols that are present above the number keys, we will press the shift key, and if I press the number 4 key, the symbol above number 4 key, that is dollar, that will be typed. Similarly, if I want to type the symbol hash that is present above number key 3, then first I will press shift key and I will keep it pressed, and then we will press the key number key 3. What will happen? This hash symbol that is present above 3, that will be typed. So in this way we can type the symbols and the alphabets from using shift key. And if you want to type this colon, a punctuation mark that is present on this key, so first we will press shift key from the keyboard and then we will press this key from the keyboard, and we can see the symbol that is present on the upper portion or the upper part of the key is typed. Now I will close this application window and this on-screen keyboard. The next key is control key. The control key is pressed in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. There are two control keys on the keyboard. This is the first control key and this is the second control key. We can use these two combinations as an example to understand control key. First key combination is control plus home. Home is a key. This is the home key. And second key combination is control plus AND. This is the AND key. Now how to use this key combination, I will show you with the help of example. To show this example, I will open here on screen keyboard first, and then I will open one application. Name of the application is Microsoft Word. How to open it, we will learn it later on. Now you can see, okay, this line that is blinking, it is called cursor. Now I will type here few lines. This is computer class, and now cursor is blinking after the last letter that is S. Now I will use this key to type the full stop. Then I will press enter key from the keyboard to bring the cursor to the next line, and here we will type another sentence from the keyboard using keyboard keys. Now you can see here the cursor is after the full stop. Now we will use the first key combination, that is control plus home. This is the control key, this is the first control key, and this is the second control key. We can use either this control key or this one, it depends upon us. Now to use the control key, we will press the control key and then we'll keep it pressed. Now if we press this home key, what will happen, this cursor will move at the beginning means at this position, okay, of the document. If I press home key, you can see the cursor is shifted to the beginning, or we can say top of the document. Now we will learn the second example, that if we press control plus AND, then what will happen. If I press control plus AND, what will happen, this cursor will shift towards the end of this line. I will press control key from the keyboard, and then this is the AND key, and okay, we will press the control key and then we will keep it pressed, and then we will press AND key, and you can see here the cursor is shifted at the end of this document, because this is the end of the line where we have finished the line. So this is how the control key combination, okay, works, that is control plus home and control plus AND. Now I will close this on screen keyboard as well as this window. So control plus home is used to move the cursor to the top of the document, where control plus AND key combination is used to move the cursor to the end of the document. Next is Alt key. Alt key can be used to close a program or to shut down a computer. There are two Alt keys on the keyboard. This is the first Alt key and this is second Alt key. These are the two examples of the combination. First is Alt plus F4. You can see here in this picture of keyboard there are keys, okay, which are marked as F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and so on till F12. These are known as function keys. There are 12 function keys on the keyboard. So this F4 is what? The function key. This is the function key F4. If we press this key combination, Alt key, we will press this Alt key and then we will keep it pressed, and along with this we will press F4 function key. What will happen? This key combination is used to close the program or the application which we have opened, and this combination of three keys, that is Control plus Alt plus Delete, this DEL is delete key. So this, if we press these three keys together in combination, then this combination can be used to shut down the computer. So this covers up this lesson, that is keyboard special